Mary Ather. I'm on the board of Ynni. I've been on the board for many years and more recently become the chair. I'm passionate about community energy, but energy that's owned by communities and not where we get benefits or tokenistic gestures. I feel it's important that we get an opportunity to own and have a say in the projects that happen in our communities. But else I'm really keen on seeing community energies and organisations like Ynni do is support communities with the profit they make from the energy. There's a lot of school projects, there's projects where we give funding to local businesses all around the whole climate change, environment and energy agenda. So we put solar panels on community buildings. We've done projects with schools and growing projects. So there's a lot of work that needs to be done in the area, and by having community-owned energy, the benefits can be shared with the people of those communities, and they have opportunities to submit applications for funding for whatever projects they feel are important to their own community. It's a couple of things I think we all could do next. We need to look at more projects we can develop as part of Ynni. There's opportunities for individuals and organisations to buy shares in community energy. You often get a better interest rate than you get with the banks. And there's a lot of projects that you might be thinking of setting up, and you can come to places like Ynni for support, for funding or for advice. So there's a huge opportunity to get involved with these projects in your community.